Bugeye 23, also Instagram, Bugeye 23. So hence the name. That's the car. So it's Austin-Healey Bugeye Sprite. They made about 49,000 of the Mk1 Sprite. This is what that is, and from 1958 to 1961. I bought this one January 2024, and it was in rough shape. The paint was almost completely gone on it, faded and all that. The interior was trashed, so it took me a lot of weekends, a lot of time. I'd probably say about 300 hours of time off in the paint, and I gutted the interior on it, redid all that and all the electrical. You know how it goes with some restorations, you get to a point where you need some help. So I wound up shipping it back to Connecticut to a really nice shop. They went ahead and did a bunch of mechanical things for me, including the engine and everything. Kind of dressed it up a little bit. I got the canvas top on here. Wound up putting the Brooklands screens on just for nice days. For driving, it's great. It originally came with a 948cc engine, which is like 45 horsepower, but I wanted to have a little bit more horsepower in it, so I wound up getting a 1275cc, which you can find in the later Sprites and the MG Midgets. But after that, I wound up, for the shop, they wound up pouring it out to 1380cc, so it roughly has now about 100 horsepower. It's pretty quick. It's amazing in the corners. It's like driving a go-kart. It keeps up with modern traffic, so I get a lot of waves and thumbs up, and you know, the kids love it, so it's great to drive.